Good morning to children. We completed first chapter integers. Now we are going to second chapter fractions, decimals and rational numbers. Fractions, decimals and rational numbers. First one is fractions. What are called fraction? Already we learned in previous classes. Fraction means a number representing a number representing a part of a whole. A part of a whole. Part of a whole. Whole means a group of numbers and individual single number. Okay. Types of fractions: proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. First one is proper fraction. Proper fraction. Proper fraction. Numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction. Numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction. For example, 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction. 1 by 2. Another example, 3 by 4. Another example, 5 by 6. 8 by 9. Okay. These are called proper fraction. Once again see proper fraction. Numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction. Okay. Next one, improper fraction. Improper fraction. Numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. For example, 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 5 by 3. Next 4 by 2. Okay. So, numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator. In first fraction, numerator is 3. Second fraction, denominator is 2. Okay, numerator is greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. Numerator is greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. Okay, next one is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. A mixed fraction combination of integral part and a fractional part. Combination of integral part and a fractional part. For example, 7 by 5. 7 by 5. 7 by 5 is the improper fraction. 7 by 5 is a improper fraction. Is converted to mixed fraction. Is converted to mixed fraction. 5 ones 2 by 5. 1 2 by 5. 1 2 by 5 is a mixed fraction. Improper fraction can be written as mixed fraction. Improper fraction can be written as mixed fraction. 7 by 2 equal 1 2 by 5. 1 2 by 5. 1 is a integral part and 2 by 5 is a fractional part. Okay, this is the mixed fraction. Okay, mixed fraction combination of integral part. Combination of integral part and fractional part is called mixed fraction. Okay, proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fractions. Okay, understood? Next, unlike fractions. Like fractions means denominators is the same. Denominators is same. Example, 3 by 5, 2 by 5, 7 by 5. These are like fractions. Denominators is the same. Denominators is same is called like fractions. Unlike fractions. 3 by 5 comma 2 by 4, 4 by 5. That like. Okay. Denominators are different. Denominators are different. Unlike fractions means denominators are different. Like fractions have denominators are same. Unlike fractions, denominators are different. Okay. Next, we are going to exercise 1. compute the following and express the result as a mixed fraction. First one is 2 plus 3 by 4. 2 plus 3 by 4. Compute the following and express the result as a mixed fraction. First compute the following. Listen. 2 plus 3 by 4. 2 plus 3 by 4. 2 means whole number. So 2 by 1 equal to 1 to 4 LCM 4. 1 4 times 4 into numerator. 4 into numerator plus 4 how many times in 4? 1 time. 1 into numerator. Numerator is 3. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 3s are 3 by 4 equal to 8 plus 3 11. 11 by 4. Answer is 11 by 4. But here result as a mixed fraction. This is the improper fraction. Convert to mixed fraction equal to improper fraction converted to mixed fraction means division with a denominator. 4 2s are 8. 11 minus 8 3. First we write quotient 2. Next remainder 3 by 4. 2 3 by 4. The answer is 2 3 by 4. Once again see 2 plus 3 by 4. LCM 4. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 3s are 3. 8 plus 3 11. 11 by 4 equal to 2 3 by 4. This is the first one answer. Next second one. 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3. 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3. 3 9 LCM. 3 9 LCM 9. 3 9 LCM 9. 9 how many times in 9? 1 time. 1 into numerator 7. 1 into numerator 7 plus 3 how many times in 9? 3 times. So 3 into numerator 1 equal to 1 into 7. 1 7s are 7 plus 3 into 1. 3 1s are 3 by 9 equal to 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 how much? 10. 10 by 9. 10 by 9. This one also improper fraction. That's why we convert the mixed fraction equal to 9 ones 9. 1 by 9. 1 1 by 9. 1 1 by 9. Next one. Third one. 1 minus 4 by 7. 1 minus 4 by 7. 1. How can we write 1? Here denominator 7 is there. So 7 by 7 equal to 7 by 7 means 1. 7 by 7 minus 4 by 7. Here like fractions denominators is the same. So LCM 7. So 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 equal to 7 minus 4 how much? 3. 3 by 7. 3 by 7. This is the proper fraction. 3 by 7 is the proper fraction. So we didn't change the improper fraction. Okay. Next one. Okay, next fourth one. 2 2 by 3. 2 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. 2 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. First fraction is the mixed fraction. First of all we convert the improper fraction. Improper fraction. How can we convert the improper fraction? Integral part into denominator plus numerator. Integral part into denominator plus numerator. So 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 by 3. 8 by 3 plus 1 by 2. 8 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Now 3 2 LCM. 3 2 LCM. Both are prime number. 3 prime number and 2 prime number. So this multiplication is a LCM. So 3 2s are 6. 3 how many times in 6? 2 times. So 2 into numerator 8. 2 into 8 plus 2 how many times in 6? 3 times. 3 into numerator 1 equal to 2 8s are 16 plus 3 1s are 3 by 6. equal to 16 plus 3. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 by 6. 19 by 6 is the improper fraction. 19 by 6 is the improper fraction. So we convert the mixed fraction equal to 6 3s are 18. 1 by 6. 3 1 by 6. 3 1 by 6. Okay. Once again say 2 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. This is the mixed fraction. Convert to the improper fraction. 2 3 is 6 plus 2. 8. 8 by 3 plus 1 by 2 equal to 3 2 LCM 6. So 3 how many times in 6? 2 times. So 2 into numerator 8 plus 2 how many times in 6? 3 times. 3 into numerator 1. 2 8 are 16 plus 3 1s are 3 by 6. 16 plus 3 19. 19 by 6. 19 by 6 is the improper fraction. That's why convert to the mixed fraction. 3 1 by 6. Okay. Next one, fifth one. 5 by 8 minus 1 by 6. 5 by 8 minus 1 by 6. First of all, LCM find. 8, 6 LCM. 2 table. 2 4s, 2 3s. Again 2 table. 2 2s, 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 8 to 6 LCM 24. 8 to 6 LCM how much ma? 24. 8 how many times in 24? 3 times. 3 into numerator. 3 into numerator 5 minus 6. 6 how many times in 24? 4 times. 4 into numerator 1 equal to 3 5s are 15 minus 4 1s are 4 by 24 equal to 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4 11 by 24. 11 by 24 is the proper fraction. Numerator is less than the denominator. Okay. 11 by 24 is the proper fraction. Okay. Next, sixth one. 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. Both are mixed fractions given. Here both are mixed fraction given. First convert to the improper fraction. Mixed fractions convert to the improper fraction. 2 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 by 3 plus 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 2. Next, as usual, 3 2 LCM 6. 3 how many times in 6? 2 times. 2 into numerator 8 plus 2 how many times in 6? 3 times. 3 into numerator 7 equal to 2 8s are 16 plus 3 7s are 21 by 6 equal to 16 plus 21 37 by 6. 37 by 6 is the improper fraction. That's why we convert to the mixed fraction. 6 6 is 36. So 6 1 by 6. 6 1 by 6. Okay, understood? This is the first Roman. Next, second Roman. Arrange the following in ascending order. Arrange the following in ascending order. First one, 5 by 8 comma 5 by 6 comma 1 by 2. 5 by 8 comma 5 by 6 comma 1 by 2. These three fractions are unlike fraction, not like fractions. Denominators are different. So we find the ascending order means first of all denominators, we convert the denominators is the same. Denominators is the same. First LCM of, we find the LCM of 8 6 2. 8 6 and 2 equal to LCM. First of all LCM find ma. 8 comma 6 comma 2. 2 table. 2 4s 8. 2 3s 2 1s. Again 2 table. 2 2s 3 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. LCM is 24. Okay. Now denominators are convert to the 24. 5 by first fraction take ma. 5 by 8 into 5 by 8 into 3 by 3. 5 by 8 into 3 by 3. Why here 3 written? 8 3s are 24. That's why numerator and denominators both are multiplying by 3. Numerator and denominator both are multiplying by 3 equal to 5 into 3. Product of numerators by product of denominators. 5 into 3 15 by 8 into 3. 8 3s are 24. Next second fraction 5 by 6. 5 by 6 into 4 by 4 into 4 by 4. Now product of numerators by product of denominators. Product of numerators 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20 by 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. Next last fraction 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 12 by 12. 12 by 12 equal to 1 into 12. 12 by 2 12s are 24. 2 12s are 24. See, now denominators are same. Denominators are same. Now ascending order means small number to big number. Ascending order means small number to big number. Now ascending order. Ascending order equal to smallest number, which number ma? 12 by 24. 12 by 24 is less than, next 15 by 24. 15 by 24 is less than biggest number 20 by 24. 20 by 24. Okay. Now real fractions, right? Now real fractions means 12 by 24 means given fraction 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is less than 15 by 24 means given fraction 5 by 8. 5 by 8 is less than 5 by 6. Is less than 5 by 6. This is the ascending order. Once again see, first of all we find the LCM. Okay. LCM of 8, 6 and 2 is 24. We convert the denominators are 24. Why? Because here LCM 24. That's why 5 by 8 into 3 by 3. 5 by 8 into 3 by 3 equal to 5 3s are 15 by 8 3s are 24. 5 by 6 into 4 by 4. 5 4s are 20 by 6 4s are 24. 1 by 2 into 12 by 12. 1 into 12. 12 by 2 12s are 24. Now ascending order means small number to big number. Here small fraction 12 by 24 is less than 15 by 24 is less than 20 by 24. Now given fractions, right ma? Given fraction 12 by 24 means 1 by 2 is less than 5 by 8 is less than 5 by 6. Okay. This is the first one in second Roman.